students, today we will discuss the difference between change in demand and change in quantity demanded. First of all, which are the causes of change in demand? Why demand changes? Change in demand causes due to change in other factors. Now, which are these other factors? These are, suppose that change in the price of related goods. PR stands for change in the price of related goods. Y stands for income of the consumer, taste, season or climate, government policy or distribution of income. These are the some factors due to which, if there comes a change in any factor, then demand will also changes. This is also known as shifts in demand curve. On the other side, what are the causes of change in quantity demanded? Due to change in price only. Due to change in price only. And this is also known as movement along the same demand curve. Now let us first of all explain what is the difference between shifts in demand curve and movement along the same demand curve. First of all, I am drawing left to right downward sloping DD demand curve. By nature, demand curve slopes left to right downward sloping. And suppose that at OP price, OP is the price level and OQ quantity of a particular commodity was demanded. Now due to change in price, because change in quantity demanded is due to change in price only. So here demand changes due to change in price. Change means increase in price or decrease in price, both. As well as price increases, demand diminishes. Shifts from Q to Q1. So this is the combination B. So there will be movement on the same demand curve from point A to B, and this movement, upward movement of demand curve from point A to B, this indicates extension of demand. Now, if due to fall in price, demand diminishes from P to P2, then demand extends from Q to Q2, and this is indicated by point C. So the downward movement from point A to C, downward movement from point A to C indicates contraction of demand. Contraction of demand. So on the same demand curve, there is upward movement from point A to B and there is downward movement from point A to C. So movement along the same demand curve. The concept is clear through extension of demand or contraction of demand. और जो मेन कॉज है दैट इज ड्यू टू चेंज इन प्राइस ओनली. प्राइस इंक्रीज हो रहा है, प्राइस डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ड्यू टू राइज इन प्राइस देयर विल बी extension of demand and due to fall in price there will be contraction of demand. Now what are the causes of change in demand? Change in demand, so many factors are responsible for change in demand. Price of related goods, income of the consumer. In this shifts in demand curve, here prices are constant. There is no change in price. Rather, demand curve shifts. First of all, I am drawing demand curve. This is the point A. At OP price, OQ quantity was demanded. Now, due to any reason of the change in price, now there will be no change in price and there will be shifts in demand curve, and this is rightward shift of demand curve from point A to B. This indicates increase in demand. Demand will increases from Q to Q1, and similarly prices are constant. Rather, demand curve shift towards left hand side from DD to D2, and the point C indicates decrease in demand. Decrease in demand. So A to B, rightward movement, rightward shifting of demand curve, and A to C, leftward shifting of demand curve. Demand curve will shift towards right hand side or towards left hand side. Rather, prices are same as it is. This shifting in demand curve is due to, suppose that income of the consumer changes, suppose that taste or season or climate or government policy or distribution of income. Any one of them will bring a change in shifts in demand curve. So further I am explaining this topic with the types of change in demand. Number one, with the help of appropriate schedule or diagram. So I am dividing this into two equal parts. Number one, extension of demand. First of all, we will clear increase in demand. Increase in demand. And next one is decrease in demand. For schedule, suppose that here prices are constant at the rate of 10 rupees. Just 5 kilograms of a particular commodity was demanded. Now prices are constant, rather demand increases from 5 to 10 units. This indicates increase in demand. Prices are constant, rather demand is increasing. And similarly, prices are constant. Initially at the rate of 10 rupees, 10 kilogram of a particular commodity was demanded. Now at the same prices, demand diminishes to 5 kilograms only. This can be explained with the help of diagram also. we are taking price on y-axis and demand, quantity demanded on x-axis, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 at the rate of at the rate of 10 rupees. 5 kilograms of a particular commodity was demanded, indicated by point A. Again at the rate of 10 rupees, demand extends to 10 kilograms. This indicates point B. So this A to B rightward movement that indicates increase in demand. Increase in demand. Similarly, at the rate of 10 rupees, 10 kilogram of a particular commodity was demanded, which is indicated by point A. At the same price, now demand, there is decrease in demand from 10 to 5 kilograms A to B. So this backward shifting of demand curve indicates decrease in demand. Decrease in demand. Here prices are taken. Now let us clear this change in quantity demanded or movement along the same demand curve with the help of appropriate diagram or schedule. For extension of demand, rise in price is the main cause of extension of demand. Rise in prices contraction of demand. At the rate of 5 rupees, just 1 kilogram of a commodity was demanded, but as well as price diminishes, demand extends. This indicates, this increase in demand indicates extension of demand. And similarly, suppose that at the rate of 1 rupee, 5 kilogram of a particular commodity was demanded, but as well as price increases, demand diminishes. This indicates contraction of demand. Let us clear it with the help of diagram also. Quantity demanded taken on x-axis and price is taken on y-axis. At the rate of 5 rupees, 1 kilogram of a particular commodity is demanded, indicated by point A, as well as price diminishes to 1 rupee, demand extends to 5 kilograms, point B. So on the same demand curve, movement from point A to B, and this is downward movement on the same demand curve, indicates extension of demand. Similarly, at the rate of 1 rupee, demand was just for 5 kilograms indicated by point A, as well as price increases from 1 to 5 rupees, demand diminishes from 5 to 1 kilograms. This is indicated by point B. So this is DT demand curve, and the movement from point A to point B, upward movement on the same demand curve from point A to B indicates contraction of demand. So this is the graphic, this is the schedule, and as well as we convert this schedule into graph that indicates change in quantity demanded and change in demand. That's all regarding this topic.